Pranali Patil. I completed my BE in IT. But after that, I was not able to get a job in any corporate industry. So I joined SCORE in October 2017. After that, I learned many more things in SCORE Infotech, like manual testing, automation testing. Over there, after completion of this manual and automation, I got placed in Robotics Infotech Pvt in Vashi as a software tester. I'm very glad to share my experience with you that SCORE provides us a very good, very good, I can say, the features or technologies that we can use in our day-to-day life, in our corporate life as well. The team of SCORE is very nice over here, like the trainers, the placement department is very nice. Also, they are providing some extra activities like SEL event is a very good event for personality development. They are providing ISTQB certification training as well, aptitude training as well. So these things also help students to improve their self, to improve their personality as well and their knowledge as well. So finally, I'm very glad and I'm very thankful to SCORE to provide me such a kind of platform to learn new things and to start my career in corporate life. Thank you so much. Also, I would like to recommend all the students who wants to join the software testing, .NET or Java. SCORE is the best platform to start their career and to learn new things. Thank you.